Welcome to seamlesstravel.ng. We are here to provide you the best seamless traveling experience at the click of a button. If you are looking for affordable and reliable flight reservation for domestic, regional, or international flight, hotel booking, visa processing, and package to any destination, then visit www.seamlesstravel.ng. At seamlesstravel.ng, we make it easy to book or find cheapest flight or hotels, both local and international. Fast and convenient. To book a flight, simply visit www.seamlesstravel.ng. Enter the departure and arrival cities. Select your departure and arrival date. Enter the number of total travelers plus preferred cabin, e.g., economy or business. Click Search. On the results page, select your preferred flight. Click on View to review your flight details once your flight details and itinerary are confirmed. Click Continue. Fill out the Who is Traveling page. Review all information and make sure that they appear as they are on your international passport. Then make payment using debit card or bank transfer. It's that simple. We are Seamless Travels, powered by Victory Travels and Tours Limited. Note, our customer care representative will contact you 5 to 10 minutes after booking.